Howdy campers, welcome back to another episode of Trying Things Out. Excuse me if there's irritating background noises, some work being done nearby and it can't be helped. Anyway, saw this, somebody mentioned it online and we bought some to try them out. It's Scrubzz. Scrubzz. Rinse-free bath sponges. Supposedly you just add a little bit of water. You can wash, you can shampoo, and the folks that have talked about them rave about them. It needs very little water. You don't have to rinse it, so this may be a quick and easy way to take a bath when you're camping. Let's find out, shall we? Bath alternative. So, I think we paid about 25 bucks, something like that, for 3 packs of these, and there's 25 in a pack, so 75 baths for 25 bucks. It's not a bad deal. So this is the size, and if you're hiking or I camp on the motorcycle a lot, take a couple of these. You see how small, and you pack them in a Ziploc bag or something. Keep them dry. I think you got a pretty good camping something. So, it smells like soap. It definitely smells soapy. So you're supposed to just stamp it a little. Just stamped it there. I got it there in the corner. And then you, I don't know, do something to get the suds going. Yeah. Sudsing up pretty good. Okay. That was just a drop of water on the corner. And the whole thing's pretty sudsy now. So, let's see if it works. Let's yeah, it feels like soap. Soapy water. I may need just a tad more water. Maybe. There we go. Yeah, I needed. Oh yeah. I got the sudsy. So, I have no doubt it'll clean. I don't know if it'll leave that soapy feeling behind. Let's wash our hair too. Yeah, singing in the rain. Okay. My face does not feel soapy at all. I should have gotten myself filthy before I actually tested this. See how well it cleaned. Get under nails. Arms aren't sticky or yucky. The hands, because I've been covering it in lather, will probably take another minute. Yeah, hair feels pretty good. Not sticky. This is a winner. I can see why people love it so much. And I could have used it, gotten a lot more usage out of it. But I'm not going to strip down. It's cold, and I don't want to embarrass you. I won't be embarrassed. I don't see. No, we won't do that. Yeah, like I said, stick a couple of these in Ziploc bags if you're worried about space, and just a little bit of water. barely used any water. That's cool. That's one of the things when we're camping, especially with my lovely assistant. She doesn't like getting all dirty and filthy and not being able to take a shower afterwards. So, or a bath or whatever, while shower. This can help a lot. Maybe I can talk her into camping more often. Couple of these on the motorcycle, wrapped up nice and dry. Yes, thumbs up. Worth the money, I think. It's 100% polyester sponge with all kinds of soap ingredients. A little bit of alcohol. Not the kind you drink, benzyl alcohol. Don't drink your sponge. Yeah. Thumbs up. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing, and your helpful comments. And most importantly, thanks for feeding my fragile ego. We'll see you next time. Bye.